students' academic performance among the senior high school students in included
Tardiness. Tawag sa absenteeism.
The habitual delaying getting to school or class is referred to as
lagi pasabot.
academic refers to the student's ability to
Sabot
participate in the classes and disrupts the learning environment. Tardiness has been noted as a serious problem with academic achievement.
Personal references. We decided to carry out this study because we saw an affinity between students, academic performance, and tardiness at primary national school. We find out it's fascinating to look for solution for the cause of missing grades. We also have it to enlighten people and offer solution to the world problems that have large mass and effort.
Statement of the problem.
This study will be conducted to determine the relationship of level of
Determine.
determine the relationship of level of tardiness and academic performance. Among SHS students of
Oh, bong, statistical. Statistical data set.
What is the personal profile of the respondents in terms of emotional, physical? What is the level of students in terms of level of tardiness and academic performance? Is there a significant relationship between level of tardiness and academic performance?
Hypothesis. There is no significant relationship between level of tardiness and academic performance. There is no significant relationship in the achievement of students when grow according to sex and age.
Being persistently late is a problem that many students face, and it can have a negative impact on their academic achievement. Many research have looked into the detrimental effect of tardiness on a variety of academic success factors, including attendance, engagement, motivation, and grades. Demographic profile of the students.